Making pasta is super easy and fun. First, grab a big pot and fill it with water. About 4 quarts should do. Add a generous pinch of salt. This is your chance to flavor the pasta. Bring it to a rolling boil. While that's heating up, let's talk about the pasta. You can use any type you like. Spaghetti, penne. Once the water's boiling, toss in your pasta and give it a good stir to prevent sticking. Now, check the package for cooking time. But remember, al dente is the way to go, firm to the bite. While it cooks, you can whip up a quick sauce. Olive oil, garlic, and a sprinkle of chili flakes make a killer combo. When the pasta is ready, drain it but save a cup of that starchy water. Mix the pasta with your sauce, adding a bit of the reserved water to get the perfect consistency. Toast it in some fresh herbs or grated cheese if you are feeling fancy. And there you have delicious homemade pasta in no time. Enjoy!